Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's AJ. So today I thought that I'll be doing a day in my life vlog. So I wanted to start this earlier in the morning, but I couldn't because I had to do some work. Here we are, and I'm starting this right now, and it's 9:38 right now. So yeah, and I'll take you through my day today. There will be a lot of work and some meetings I have to take. So, I'm at the office right now, if you couldn't tell by the background. अभी ऑफिस खाली है, that's why I could vlog, but उसके अलावा तो I can't. वो बस थोड़ा clips होंगी. Okay, and जब जब मौका मिलेगा I'll talk to you guys, but till then we have to do some work. So here I am, I have to start working. My WhatsApp is getting loaded right now. Also guys, मैंने Foxtail से order किया था कुछ सामान. I'll show you when I'll get back home. I ordered so many products from Foxtail. Also I got a package from Himalaya, a brand collab. I'll also show that to you. So I'm very excited for that. I always keep my diary with me because I don't know, people do make notes on their phones or on laptops. Maybe I really can't. I just want my diary with me because I don't know, I think that I operate in a traditional way more nicely. So I really like to jot down my to-do list or whatever I have to do on my diary. So yeah, let's do that. I wanted to know from you guys, does it happen with you also? Like last to last Sunday, I went to an event, and what happened was, whenever I talk to some experts or some people who have so much experience, so like who have more experience than me, so what happened is that whenever I talk to these kind of people, my communication skills just go out of the water. What happens is, जब भी मैं उनसे बात करती हूँ, right, I just know that they are having so much experience, like much more experience than me, and they have very good communication skills as they're working in corporates, and they're experts in their fields, right? So what happens is, whenever I talk to them, I don't know, I just fumble, right? And whatever, I know what I have to explain to them and what I want to say, but whenever I just start talking to them, I fumble a lot. Does it happen with you also? I mean, naturally I know that I'm good at communication skills, but what happens is, इनके सामने जो एक्सपर्ट्स होते हैं या फिर जो बहुत बढ़िया इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, आई डोंट नो क्या हो जाता है, जस्ट गेट सो मच नर्वस कि मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, क्या नहीं बोल रही हूँ. आई रियली डोंट नो. So comment down below guys, अगर आपके साथ भी होता है. Am I the only one, or I don't think I'm the only one here. I think it happens with many people, but अगर आपके साथ भी हुआ है ये, do tell me the incident, comment down below. I just feel to overcome this thing, we just need to practice and practice more and speak more in English with these kind of people, network more. So मैं क्या करती हूँ, whatever the events come, I really like to network with people, right? And you get to know so much about their mindsets. And if I'm in this industry, if I'm in the recruitment industry, if I meet people who are in the same industry, so what happens is, that I get to know so much about it, that how they established their companies, or how do they deal with the situations which I deal with too in the daily day-to-day life. So yeah, I really like to know more about them, their stories, their how they tackle with the situations, and how they grow their companies, or how did they grew their companies from scratch to so much turnover, right? तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है बात करना उनसे. एंड या, एंड दे आर वेरी नाइस. इफ़ यू विल आस्क पीपल अबाउट देयर स्टोरीज एंड वो कैसे ग्रो करें अपने बिजनेस में, एंड क्या क्या टैक्टिक्स और क्या क्या स्ट्रैटेजीज प्लानिंग्स यूज़ हुई हैं टू ग्रो देयर कंपनी और द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, एंड उन्हें भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि जब वो बताते हैं हमें कि ऐसे ऐसे तुम कर सकते हो, दिस इज़ हाउ यू कैन ग्रो योर कंपनी. सो आई रियली लाइक टू टॉक लाइक दैट. और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रही हूँ इस चीज़ पे. ऑल राइट, मैं अब काम पे लग रही हूँ. बट डू कमेंट डाउन बिलो गाइज इफ़ यू रिलेट विद मी, एंड इफ़ यू ऑल्सो नेटवर्क, एंड यू इफ़ यू हैव सम इवेंट्स कमिंग अप, डू टेल मी, डू लेट मी नो. If I'll be able to join you, I'll do join you guys. Hey guys, I'm home now, and आपको मेरी हालत देख के पता चल रहा होगा that it's evening और मेरा आज का कार्यकाल समाप्त हो चुका है. So now I'll show you my Foxtail का पूरा order box. Okay guys, so this was the box I was telling you about, जो मैंने मंगवाया था. एक एक करके सामान बताती हूँ मैं. So basically I got these many things, and उसमें एक था mystery box. एक था मिस्ट्री बॉक्स, एंड और जो चीज़ें थी मैंने कुछ कुछ मंगवाई थी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद जो मैंने मंगवाई थी, एंड देन वील गो टू द मिस्ट्री बॉक्स. सो फर्स्ट इज़ आई गॉट दिस बॉडी वॉश, एंड ये आपने देखा होगा फॉक्सटेल का ये नया वेरिएशन आया है. दिस इज़ हूला हूप बाय फॉक्सटेल, एंड दिस बॉडी वॉश इज़ इन्फिनिटी पूल हाइड्रा लॉक बॉडी वॉश. सो आई गॉट दिस. देन आई गॉट दिस लोशन, which is Swiss Milk Ultra Nourishing Body Lotion, again by Hula Hoop. The packaging is so nice guys, right? And then I ordered this basically cherry collagen with clay mask, right? I am very much excited to try this one. All right, and yeah, I got this oil balancing moisturizer. मुझे ये कब से चाहिए था. If you've seen फॉक्सटेल का जो मॉइस्चराइज़र है जिसमें बीड्स होते हैं छोटे छोटे, सो इट्स दैट. तो ये मुझे कब से चाहिए था. सो या, दीज आर दैट. अब ये मैंने बाई 2 get 4 वाले में मंगवाया था. सो व्हाट हैपन वॉज, साथ में उसके फ्री गिफ्ट्स आ रहे थे. सो दिस वॉज द फ्री गिफ्ट विच इज़ हूला हूप स्क्रब एंड शाइन, विच इज़ इट हैज़ sakura season brightening body wash and Moroccan silk exfoliating body scrub. So this is kind of limited edition trial package, right? तो ये छोटे छोटे से हैं. This is the scrub and this is the lotion. सही बोल रही हूँ ना मैं? ओ सॉरी, बॉडी वॉश एंड दिस इज़ द स्क्रब. तो ये बहुत छोटे से हैं. अगेन क्यूट पैकेजिंग, निकलेगा कुछ भी नहीं इन छोटे छोटे पैकेजेस से. बट दिस वॉज द लिमिटेड एडिशन जो उन्होंने एज अ गिफ्ट दिया. Now the mystery box, which I was very excited to see. So one was this refreshing face wash, right? I don't know, I've not used Foxtail's face washes before. So yeah, again I got this body wash. This is Moroccan silk exfoliating body wash. So this is the, एक second, अच्छा ठीक है, या यही आया है mystery box में. ये था this one. एक था ये एक्ने स्पॉट एक्ने स्पॉट करेक्टर जेल, एंड द लास्ट वन इज़ दिस फॉक्सटेल रेटिनॉल नाइट क्रीम. आपने ये देखा होगा. तो ये छोटे से पैकेज में आई है. सो दीज आर 10 थिंग्स which I got from Foxtail, जो कि बहुत बड़ा पैकेज है. And first time मैंने इतना बड़ा पैकेज मंगवाया है. So I'm very excited to use this. I got this Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Serum as the brand collaboration. अभी तक इसका brief नहीं आया है, so I will post this video on my Instagram. Do watch that.
That I picked up, so let's open them together. This is a hair curler that I got. It's like an automatic hair curler, which I thought was so cool.
Hi guys, so I've had my dinner and I'm watching a YouTube video right now. I really like जो भी a day in my life या something ऐसे vlogs होते हैं, I really like that. So I'm just watching that and then I'll do my skincare. So I'll also tell you what I use in my skincare. This is my skincare time now, and at night I just use two things. One is serum and second is the moisturizer. So the serum which I use, I've cleansed my face, and the serum I use is this Dalba. This is my all-time favorite because it gives a really nice glow, guys. I am not even kidding. Can you see this? And the cream I use is this Yungkyang Yul. I don't know, this is somewhat a Korean brand which I got from Nikaland. So I use this cream, and at the last I'm using this Bella Vita lip gloss, lip tint you can say. I'm gonna go back in my blanket and then I'll be watching some YouTube videos and then I'll be reading book and sleep at 10.